Hi guys, today I'm going to show you this half up, half down hairstyle in less than 3 minutes. I've started with wavy hair, but this can work on straight hair as well. So starting on the right hand side, I'm going to leave a bit out to frame the face and take a section of hair from the top of the ear to the middle of the crown at the back. Comb this back with your fingers and secure into a ponytail with an elastic band. And we're going to repeat the same size section on the left hand side and pop it into a ponytail. Next I'm going to add some texture powder all over the top of the hair. I'll pop the one I'm using in the description below. Then gently pinch and pull for some more volume. Starting with the left hand ponytail, I'm going to divide this in half and then simply wrap the sections around one another to create a loose twist. Secure it with an elastic band at the end. And then all I'm going to do is take the end of that twist, fold it up so it meets the top of the twist, pinch them together and secure it with another elastic band so you're creating a little twisted loop. Then repeat on the right hand side, so split in half, wrap the sections around one another and add your elastic band. Bring the end of that twist up to the top, pinch together and secure with another elastic band. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on new uploads. So you should have 2 little twists. Now starting with the right hand loop, I'm going to pop my fingers through the middle of it and then I'm going to grab the whole left hand side and pull it all the way through so they switch sides. Hold to the head and secure all around the outside of that bun with as many bobby pins as needed. Gently use your fingers to pinch and pull at each loop and twist of that bun for more volume and texture. And it really is that easy. Here's the finished look. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials.